Radi Geog, or popularly known to the others as the Rice Bowl of East, is located at 30 km east of Tashigangsongka. As the summer has given way to winter, the people of Radi are busy harvesting their much-awaited rice. Our main problem is water, and this has made us to depend on rainfall. Sometimes the plantation gets delayed without rain for a week. However, this year we are hopeful to collect better result than last year. Comparing to last year, our produce has increased, and the quantity of rice this year is better than previous years.